Recently, Alex Ramones thumbnails is getting talked about everywhere. People keep saying the same thing, that why is thumbnails is so simple but impossible to ignore. And honestly, that question interested me too. Because if you actually look at his thumbnails carefully, you will notice that there is nothing, literally anything going very complicated in his thumbnails. These are very simple thumbnails. No crazy effects, no crazy composition, no crazy lighting, but still somehow they pull off millions of views. So I decided to study them properly. I have spent months studying hundreds plus Alex Ramones thumbnails and actually getting know what exactly make a Alex Ramones thumbnails work and pull off millions of views. And eventually I realized something very important. Alex Ramones is not designing his thumbnails to look impressive. He is designing thumbnails to control the attention. That is the important thing here. And once you understand that, the way you look at thumbnails changes completely forever. In this video, I am going to break down 3 psychological patterns Alex Ramones uses in his every single thumbnail again and again and again and again. And wait for the third one, because if you understand that, then your CTR will skyrocket. Point 1. Big face plus calm authority expression. The first thing you will notice in every single Alex Ramones thumbnail, that is, his face is extremely big and very easy to understand even on a small screen like mobile. But the real reason it works, it is not just because the face is big enough. It is the real reason behind that, the expression is doing the heavy lifting there. Most YouTubers try too hard to express their emotion in the thumbnail. They make exaggerated faces, try to look very exciting and forcefully do their emotion. They widen their mouth, try to look happy, shocked, and these kind of faces, and they try to somehow look very engaging and attention pulling. But in real life, if someone acts like this way, you usually don't take them seriously that enough. Your brain automatically feels like that something is off in this. But when someone looks calm, composed, and calm authority, they instantly look like they are respectable and they are trustworthy, because they directly showing the authority face and very understandable expression. They feel very confident, experienced and authoritative. That is important there. Here is an example. Thank me later thumbnail. Look at Alex Ramones thumbnail. Look at Alex Ramones expression. He is just directly looking at the camera. The expression is intense, but very controlled and not dramatic. And your brain instantly feels like, yeah, that person something very valuable. And that feeling matters a lot more than you think, because the thumbnails are the first impression you leave on the viewer mind. The viewer decide within seconds whether they trust you or not. So here's how to apply it. So when you shoot your next thumbnail photo, stop trying to look very expressive or surprised, but instead try to look more authoritative. Feel calm, composed, high authority, like intense expression but controlled. Point 2. High contrast colors. The second thing Alex Ramones do very well, that is using very contrasting colors. Most of his thumbnails follow a very clear color structure. Dark background, bright white or yellow text, and very clearly subject separated from the background. That is it. Not any gradient or random color, nothing all that. Just very clear message. And that is not just an aesthetic choice. There is a clear psychology behind that. Human brains are naturally attracted to the high contrast visuals. Bright objects on the dark background feel instantly grabbing attention, because brain can easily process them while scrolling the feed, and Ramones uses full advantage of this. Here's an example. Don't buy stock thumbnail. Black background, white text and very clear subject and face. Extremely easy to process, and when the thumbnails become too tiny on mobile screen, it is still readable and completely understandable. Here is another example. How to win in your 20s thumbnail. Same formula again. Dark background, bright colors and clear subject separation and face. Nothing distracting your eyes from the main message. Here's how you can apply it. Here is a simple thumbnail test you can do. Create your thumbnail, then zoom out to 20 to 25%. Now ask yourself 3 questions. First, can I still clearly see the face? Second, can I still clearly read the text? Third, can I instantly, under 2 seconds, understand the core message of the thumbnail? If the answer is no, then the thumbnails probably lack contrast or clarity. Hormozy thumbnail always pass these. Point 3. Contradiction. Now this is the most important thing Alex Hormozy uses in his thumbnail. And once you see this, you instantly seeing this everywhere. You can't anymore ignore this. You can see this pattern in every single of his thumbnail. Hormozy constantly uses contradiction. He says such things that go against clearly what people normally believe. The reason this works because our brain hates the unresolved questions. When your brain sees something that contradicts your core beliefs, it gets stopped for a second. Now it wants the explanation. It wants what is the answer of the question. He needs a clear explanation. And that is what exactly drives the click. Here's a first example. The anti-routine thumbnail. In this thumbnail, exercise is crossed out. Reading is crossed out. Sleep is crossed out. But those are all good habits that society tells us are good things. So the moment your brain see this, you instantly ask a question. Wait, what does he mean? Here's a second example. Don't buy stock thumbnail. It is literally a finance related video. And the thumbnail says, don't buy stock. The contradiction is so strong that your brain wants an instant answer. Here's a third example. Sell to the rich thumbnail. Only 3 words, but this still creates instant curiosity in viewers' mind. Why only rich people? Why not everyone? Again, the brain wants an answer, and that is exactly what drives the click. And in psychological terms, this is called cognitive dissonance. When people see a thing that clearly go against their core beliefs, they instantly want to solve that result. Here is a simple way to apply it. First, identify the main message of your video. Then ask yourself, what is the opposite angle of this message that would still be true but in context? For example, working harder creates success. Opposite angle. Working harder makes you secretly poor. Then turn that contradiction into your thumbnail text. Work less. Now suddenly, brain wants an answer, and that is the power of contradiction. So if we simplify all of the things that Alex Hormozy does, it really comes down to 3 things. First, big faces plus calm authority expression. Second, strong visuals and contrast. Second, strong contrast and simple visuals. Third, contradiction that creates curiosity. And the most important part of all of this, that it doesn't require expensive team, high budget studio, and a mega team, a lot of money. That is all not is required. All of this is a simple way of thinking. Psychology first, design second. And once that mindset genuinely clicks for you, the way you see thumbnails changes completely forever. Because the goal is not to just make the thumbnail looks good. The goal is to make the people stop scrolling and click on your video. If you like this video, then consider subscribing. I'll see you in next video with a lot of new value.